students, welcome to Zamready Maths. Today we are exploring a topic that is like Google Maps for mathematics. Coordination geometry. It's how we find exact location on a flat surface using numbers. Imagine you are giving directions to your friend. Instead of saying walk past the tree and turn left after the shop, you can simply say go to the point 43. That's the magic of coordinate geometry. We use two lines to form a map, the x-axis and the y-axis. The horizontal line is the x-axis. The vertical line is the y-axis. Where the cross is called origin with coordinate 0, 0. This one is known as negative coordinate of y-axis. This is negative of x-axis. Here, x-axis, the negative one are also represented as y dash, x-axis x dash. Okay, this is coordinates 0, 0, center's coordinate. Now let's draw quadrant diagram in which we will label signs for the quadrant. Axis divide the plane into 4 regions. These 4 regions are known as quadrants. Axis divides the plane into 4 regions. These regions are known as quadrant. First quadrant, here x is also positive and y is also positive. Second quadrant, x is negative, y is positive. In third quadrant, x is negative, y is also negative. In fourth quadrant, x is positive, y is negative. Every point is written as xy. The first number is how far to move left or in right direction on x-axis. Second number is how far up or down we have to go on y-axis. For example, let's plot point A 3, 5 on the graph paper. On x-axis, we have to move 3 points right to the 0. Okay, 3 points right here. And from this point, we have to move 5 points up on y-axis. Okay, so here. This is point A. Y-axis upwards, we have moved 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, on x-axis, we have moved 1, 2 and 3 units to reach point A. Let's mark -4, 2. X-axis -4, then we have to move in left direction. Left 0 से left जाएंगे. ठीक है, 0 से left, -4 यहाँ. अब यहाँ पे 2 पॉजिटिव है तो अपवर्ड्स. यहाँ पे हमारे पास 2. ओके, ये हमारे पास पॉइंट बी. अब हमें मार्क करना है पॉइंट सी. -3, -6. एक्स एक्सिस पे -3, वाई एक्सिस का -6. कहाँ पे मीट करेंगे ये? यहाँ पे. -3, -6. कौन सा पॉइंट है ये? पॉइंट सी. डी पॉइंट 5 एंड -3. एक्स एक्सिस पे 5 पॉइंट. यहाँ पे, यहाँ से हमें, वहां पे y नेगेटिव है तो हम डाउनवर्ड्स जाएंगे. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे -3. ऐसे ही हम सभी जो पॉइंट्स है मार्क करते हैं ग्राफ के ऊपर. लेट्स गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला. ये जो टॉपिक है ये सीबीएसई के सिलेबस में नहीं है, आईसीएसई बोर्ड के सिलेबस में है। कैसे डिस्टेंस फाइंड करते हैं हम? फॉर सपोज ए और पॉइंट बी के बीच में हमें डिस्टेंस फाइंड करना है। फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? x1 माइनस x2 होल स्क्वायर माइनस y1 माइनस y सॉरी प्लस x1 माइनस x2 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y1 minus y2 whole square. Okay, under root of whole. Want to know how far 2 points are from each other? Use the distance formula. Let's go for an example. Example 1, A point 3 and 5. B point, what is given? Minus 4, 2. Let's find the distance between this. Okay. So how would we be finding the distance? We would be using the formula AB equals to under root x1 minus x2 plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Now putting the values. Okay, 3 and 5, this is x1 comma y1. Okay, here this is x2 comma y2. Okay, now what is x1? 3. What is x2? Minus 4. Here minus this. x2 what is? Minus 4, तो we would be, हम उसको एक ब्रैकेट में रख देंगे. Now इसका होल स्क्वायर प्लस y1 माइनस y2 होल स्क्वायर. y1 की वैल्यू क्या है? 5 माइनस, अब y2 की वैल्यू भी पॉजिटिव ही है तो हम उसको ब्रैकेट में लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. अब यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट्स ओपन कर देंगे. नाउ सॉल्विंग दिस 3, हम यहाँ पे जो ब्रैकेट ओपन करेंगे माइनस माइनस प्लस 4 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस 5 माइनस 2 is 3 whole square. 3 plus 4 7 whole square plus 49 plus 9 50 58 under root 58 यूनिट. ओके, अब हमारे पास, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमने कोई यूनिट नहीं लिया था कि कितने में डिस्टेंस निकालना है, तो हम यहाँ पे इसके साथ लिख देंगे यूनिट्स. Applications of coordinate geometry in real life. Navigation. Coordinate geometry isn't just for maths exams. It's used in navigation, video games, GPS system, designing buildings, and even tracking satellites. Let's have a quick recap for what we have learned in today's video. Coordinate geometry helps us to locate points using XY coordinates. The Cartesian plane has an x-axis, y-axis, and an origin. The plane is divided into 4 quadrants with different sign rules. To plot a point, move along x first and then along y. The distance formula helps us find the length between 2 points. That's it for today. In next class, we will explore questions for this chapter.